In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order a social security card. If you need a replacement social security card in the United States, the good news is that the process is generally straightforward, and in most cases, it's free. You can either apply online through a My Social Security account, or you can submit Form SS5 in person or by mail. Whichever method you use, your replacement card is typically delivered within 5 to 10 business days once your application is processed. Let's start with the online option, since that is often the fastest and most convenient. To apply online, you'll need to meet a few requirements. You must be at least 18 years old and you must have a US mailing address where the replacement card can be sent. You also need a valid US driver's license or a state-issued ID. Another important limitation is that the online option is only for a replacement card. If you need to change your name or update other information in your social security record, you won't be able to use this online method. If you meet those requirements, you can go through your My Social Security account and complete the replacement card request there. As you move through the application, make sure the information you enter matches your official records exactly. That can help avoid delays. If you don't qualify for the online process, or if you prefer to apply another way, you can use the in-person or mail option. For this method, you'll need to fill out the application for a social security card, which is Form SS5. This form is the standard application used for requesting a card through the Social Security Administration. Along with the form, you must provide original documents or certified copies. Photocopies and notarized copies are not accepted, so this is a very important detail. You'll need proof of identity, such as a driver's license, a passport, or a state-issued ID. Depending on your situation, you may also need to show proof of US citizenship or proof of work-authorized status. Once everything is ready, you can either drop off or mail your form and documents to your local Social Security office. Before sending anything, it's a good idea to double check that your documents are current and that the form is complete, since missing information can slow things down. That's the full process for ordering a replacement social security card. Whether you apply online or use Form SS5, following the document requirements carefully will make the process much smoother.